Let me show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Now open up the Snapchat app here, and if you're in messages and you accidentally block somebody or you decided you want to chat with them, I'll show you how to unblock them. It works the exact same on iPhone or Android. Now, let's say I blocked this person and I wanted to change my mind and I wanted to chat with them again. You can see your block list in the settings of the Snapchat app here. Keep in mind they constantly move this around, but currently you'll be able to see that block list under block users who can see. Now, there is all of the people that you've blocked. Keep in mind when you do unblock somebody, it doesn't automatically add them back as a friend. So you'll want to tap the unblock button, but then you after that want to go back to the very beginning and then tap on the little plus of the person at the very top. And I will just search for that name again, Trevor Android, my Android phone. And there you can see Trevor Android. I need to tap add again, and then I can tap messages. There are all the messages that I sent and received. They're back and I can start chatting with them again.